Oh, people's it's him here, and I don't want to show faces. And today I'm going to do, wait, not say table, I'm in Bex. Today we're going to be doing the water balloon challenge by Lps Twixes. I actually forgot what it was actually called, so sorry Twixes, but you get a shout out anyway. Today I'm being joined by Mr. Fat Cat. Hi. Mr. Fat Cat in the house. DJ. I don't know. And the water balloon challenge is where you have your LPS here. You have the water balloons at them, not at them. Like you can't hit them directly, but you have to hit them near them. You have to try to knock them down. And we tried this before, and I'm pretty bad at it. And I am here on my balcony, joined by Memmy. Say hi.
Hi.
Yay, Mimi.
Anyway, what? Get started. First, I have this red balloon. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful.
And I'm gonna try to hit it. I'm gonna be really bad at this. See, I hit it. Oh, I did? Okay. Okay, so Mommy's gonna do one. But I might wanna back up, away. Because scariness. Okay, let's go. Do it. Let's retry that. Let's get this started. Do it. You got Bex and you got me. Yeah, get Mr. Fat Cat. Poor Mr. Fat Cat. So, is this breaking the rules if we want to do a part 2? Because we only have 3 water balloons, sadly. Yes. And Mr. Fat Cat is recovering from the traumatic experience. So traumatic. Wait, was a massage? Wait, I don't even know what I did, but that hurt my throat. And look at Bex. Bex died. I'm gonna live to tell the tale. And we made a mess. And what if that didn't pop before? And it'll be, is it breaking the rules if we do a part 2 on not 4th of July? Or should we just do it on 4th of July? Because we just did one. And Fat Cat needs some time to recover. I mean, he broke his neck.